From search to thought, Infopragmatics and Generative Artificial Intelligence in University Research Training. Generative Artificial Intelligence has opened a new horizon in university teaching. This experience illustrates how UNAM integrates Infopragmatics to teach students to think and write with scientific purpose. From the digital library of the General Directorate of Libraries and Digital Information Services, and in collaboration with the Faculty of Chemistry, this project is part of the Frontier Informational Structure model, designed to strengthen scientific writing at the National Autonomous University of Mexico through the Assertive Bibliographic Research, ABR, and publish your research workshops. During its implementation, a gap was identified between information retrieval and the formulation of one's own thought. Infopragmatics closes that gap by guiding the transition from data to idea and from idea to publication, including the movement from Spanish to English. Generative AI was incorporated not as a substitute for reasoning, but as a cognitive interlocutor. Its function: to reveal inconsistencies, stimulate reflection, and strengthen academic writing while naturally engaging with the steps of Infopragmatics. A research sentence, consideration of academic levels, evaluation of source reliability, bilingual handling of Spanish and English, onomasiological sources, and the support of AI to ultimately produce original outputs. The Infopragmatic sequence organizes the entire process, from the formulation of the research sentence to the presentation of results. Students explore theses, books, databases, scientific journals, and discovery services, working with linguistic brainstorming and control vocabulary matrices. We adhere to the INRAD structure or to the format suggested by prospective journal editors. A tentative title, abstract, and a table of contents are developed and naturally refined through AI. Citation and reference standards are addressed according to editorial requirements and the final presentation of results. More than 500 participants from UNAM and associated higher education institutions have completed this process with tangible results: accepted articles, greater methodological clarity, and a renewed critical awareness of artificial intelligence. One of these achievements was the publication in Springer Nature of the article, Enhancing the Human Experience, Infopragmatics-Driven Integration of Artificial Intelligence in Digital Libraries. This experience demonstrates that generative AI can become a mirror of human thought, where each dialogue reveals not only information but self-knowledge. Significant learning does not originate from the algorithm, but from the ethical and linguistic interpretation the student constructs. The Frontier Informational Structure model is adaptable to all areas of knowledge. It promotes learning that unites thought, technology, and human sense, contributing to a more critical and creative university community. The results obtained so far demonstrate university talent and the good practices of artificial intelligence. AI does not replace the human gaze, it expands it.